Think about it. If you knew, with a reasonable degree of certainty, that Tuesdays in the late afternoon were typically your slowest period, what could you do with that information? You could offer a special discount, schedule your administrative tasks, dedicate time to marketing, or even use it for professional development. Conversely, if you knew your Friday mornings were consistently slammed, you could ensure you're fully staffed, optimize your workflow, or even consider adjusting your pricing to reflect the high demand. This isn't about magic or crystal balls. It's about data. And the good news is, if you're using an online scheduling system like Setmore, you're already sitting on a goldmine of information that can reveal these hidden patterns. Setmore isn't just a tool for booking appointments. It's a powerful data analytics platform disguised as a simple calendar. It tracks every booking, every cancellation, every no-show, and every successful appointment. And with a little bit of know-how, you can unlock the secrets hidden within that data to identify your slow days, understand why they're slow, and proactively transform them. So how do we do this? How do we go from simply using Setmore to booking appointments to using it as a strategic tool to optimize our entire business operations? The answer lies in leveraging Setmore's reporting features and understanding how to interpret the information it provides. Let's dive in. The first place you'll want to look is the reports section within your Setmore account. This is where all the magic happens. Setmore offers various reports, but for identifying slow days, we're going to focus primarily on the appointments report and the staff performance report. The appointments report is your historical record of every single booking. You can filter this report by date range, which is crucial for identifying trends. Start by looking at a broader period, perhaps the last 3 months or even 6 months. This will give you enough data to spot recurring patterns. Once you have your desired date range selected, you can then begin to analyze the data. Pay close attention to the day of the week and time of day columns. You'll start to see visual patterns emerge. Are there specific days that consistently have fewer appointments? Are there particular time slots within those days that are almost always empty? For example, you might notice that Mondays before noon are consistently light, or that Wednesday afternoons often have gaps. These are your initial indicators of potential slow periods. Now let's refine this further. While the appointments report shows you what did get booked, it doesn't explicitly show you what didn't get booked. This is where the staff performance report can offer a different perspective. While primarily designed to assess individual staff member performance, you can also use it to see the utilization rate of your available time slots. If a staff member has a lot of available hours but very few booked hours on a particular day, it reinforces the idea that those times are indeed slow. Another critical piece of the puzzle is understanding why certain days are slow. This requires a bit of detective work beyond just looking at the raw numbers. Consider external factors. Are there public holidays that consistently fall on those slow days? Are there local events or school holidays that might impact client availability? For example, if you offer services primarily to parents, school holidays might naturally lead to slower weekdays. Setmore itself won't tell you about these external factors, but by cross-referencing your slow periods with local calendars and events, you can often find a logical explanation. Also, think about your marketing efforts. Did you run a special promotion that boosted bookings on certain days, while leaving others unaffected? Conversely, did you neglect marketing on specific days, leading to a natural dip in appointments? Your marketing calendar should ideally align with your expected busy and slow periods. Once you've identified your slow days and even started to understand some of the underlying reasons, the real work begins. Strategizing to fill those gaps. And this is where Setmore truly empowers you. Here are a few actionable strategies you can implement directly or indirectly using Setmore. First, offer targeted promotions. Setmore allows you to create and manage coupons and discounts. If you know Tuesdays from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. are consistently slow, create a special Tuesday afternoon treat discount that's only valid during those hours. Promote this heavily on social media through email newsletters and even with in-store signage. Second, adjust your staff scheduling. If you have multiple staff members and you've identified a particularly slow day, consider adjusting your staffing levels for that day. This can help reduce overhead costs during unproductive periods. Alternatively, you could use those slower times for staff training or team meetings. Third, schedule administrative tasks and content creation. Those empty slots on your slow days are perfect for tackling administrative work, catching up on emails, or even dedicating time to content creation for your blog or social media. By pre-allocating this time, you ensure that these vital tasks get done without encroaching on your peak earning hours. Fourth, offer new services or bundles. Perhaps your existing services don't appeal to clients during those slower times. Could you introduce a new, shorter service or a bundled offering that's more attractive during those periods? For example, a quick express facial for a beauty salon or a brief checkup consultation for a therapist. Fifth, encourage reviews and referrals. When you have a bit more breathing room on a slow day, use that time to reach out to satisfied clients and politely request reviews or encourage referrals. Setmore can help you automate follow-up emails, making this process even smoother. Positive reviews are powerful magnets for new clients. Finally, analyze and adapt. The beauty of using Setmore is that it's an ongoing process. Continue to monitor your reports. Did your strategies to fill those slow days work? If so, great. If not, why not? What can you adjust? The data will tell you. Setmore provides the insights. It's up to you to interpret them and make informed business decisions. Identifying slow days with Setmore isn't about dreading them. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge. It's about turning potential weaknesses into strengths and ensuring that every hour of your business operations is as productive and profitable as possible. Stop guessing about your schedule and start knowing. Your bottom line will thank you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.